we're recession proof. Skilled welders always work, and they are in so high demand right now. They're begging for them. There's signs everywhere that people are calling. The job placement is phenomenal right now.
Welding is very difficult, but it's not impossible to do. With enough discipline and motivation, you can actually do things that you didn't think were possible.
We have a 1-year certificate of completion, which is action-packed with hands-on skills in most, if not all, the processes that are used in industry today. And we dive into the material science of what happens to metal when we heat it and change it. We also get into fabrication. Within a year, you can gain these skills and be ready to hit the workforce. If you want to stay for 2 years, we actually have a 2-year associate's degree program as well, where we take you a little bit farther.
I have learned a wide variety of things so far here. I never thought that there was this much going into the program.
The instructors here are certified welding inspectors, so they can tell you from an industry aspect what is actually going to pass, what's going to fail, and they can actually give you the right advice to make sure that you're going to succeed in industry.
The best part about being trained by professional individuals rather than just learning it on my own is they've been there, they've done that, they've experienced stuff that I'm going to have to experience, and they're going to be able to tell me about it instead of me going through it by myself and trying to figure it out on my own.
So this shop is extremely equipped in order to teach people how to weld. If you come here and you don't learn how to weld, it's not the instructor's fault.
What makes our program different, we focus on fabrication. We also focus on the science behind what's happening with welding, the science behind what heat does to metal. So the student, when they're in the program, they're not just doing the work, they understand why they're doing it and why they're doing it the way they're doing it. So because we spend so much time on fabrication, that's what employers have told us they want. They want students that, well, can read a tape measure, but can also fabricate. So we make sure that students are ready with those things so that they can actually be desirable by industry.
I'm not ready yet for the industry, but I will be. Before I graduate this program, I know that I will be ready.
I think I'm 100% going to be ready with how far I've come in this program since I started and the knowledge that I have now, even though I'm not even complete the course yet. There's no doubt in my mind that I'm going to be able to go out there and achieve everything that I need to achieve.